All-season tires are the standard recommendation for most Tesla models in regions with variable weather. They balance dry, wet, and light snow performance. This guide covers everything Tesla owners need to know about all-season tires, including sizes, tread life, and best practices to maximize tire performance and longevity. Matching the correct tire size to your Tesla model is crucial for optimal performance and safety. Tesla vehicles require specific tire dimensions that are designed to work with their electric powertrains and regenerative braking systems. Tire sizes are expressed using a standardized format. For example, 235/45 R18 means the tire has a width of 235 millimeters, an aspect ratio of 45%, R for radial construction, and fits an 18-inch wheel. These specifications ensure proper fitment and performance. Different Tesla models require different tire sizes. The Model 3 Long Range uses 235/45 R18 tires, while the Model Y offers options like 255/45 R19. Always check your owner's manual or door placard for the exact specifications for your vehicle. The tire information label on your Tesla shows the recommended sizes and pressures. Using the wrong tire size can negatively impact handling, reduce your vehicle's range, and compromise safety. Proper tire selection ensures optimal contact with the road. Always refer to your vehicle's specifications to ensure proper fitment and optimal performance. Several key factors affect tread life on Tesla vehicles. The heavy weight of Tesla cars, ranging from 4,000 to 6,000 pounds, puts significant stress on tires. High torque from electric motors also contributes to faster tire wear, especially during acceleration. Regenerative braking, while efficient for energy recovery, generates heat that accelerates tire wear. This heat buildup is more pronounced in Teslas compared to traditional vehicles. These factors result in expected tread life of 20,000 to 40,000 miles, depending on driving habits. Monitor your tires closely and adjust driving habits to maximize tread life. Smooth acceleration and braking can help reduce wear. Understanding these factors helps Tesla owners maintain optimal tire performance. Essential tire maintenance practices are crucial for Tesla owners. Regular tire rotation every 5,000 to 8,000 miles helps even out wear patterns caused by the vehicle's weight and regenerative braking. Maintaining proper tire inflation at Tesla's recommended 40 to 45 psi prevents uneven wear and blowouts. Use a pressure gauge regularly to check and adjust. Avoid overloading your Tesla beyond its capacity to prevent excessive stress on tires. This not only extends tire life, but also improves vehicle safety and handling. Following these maintenance practices can significantly extend tire life and improve safety. Ignoring them leads to premature wear and higher replacement costs. Tesla vehicles feature an advanced tire pressure monitoring system that provides real-time tire pressure data through the Tesla app and onboard sensors. This integrated system continuously monitors pressure in all four tires, alerting drivers to any changes that could affect safety or performance. The TPMS screen in your Tesla displays current pressure readings for each tire, typically recommending 40 to 45 psi for optimal performance. Tesla's software integrations in 2024-2025 models include these onboard sensors that track tread depth and pressure automatically. When pressure drops below safe levels, such as the 39 psi warning shown here, Tesla's TPMS triggers immediate alerts on the dashboard and through the mobile app. This helps prevent blowouts and uneven wear that could occur from improper inflation. These visual warnings, combined with app notifications, ensure you're always aware of tire pressure changes. Statistics show that proper TPMS usage can prevent up to 40% of premature tire wear in Tesla vehicles. To maintain optimal performance and safety, regularly check your Tesla's TPMS readings through the app and adjust tire pressure as needed, keeping it between 40 to 45 psi as recommended by Tesla. This comprehensive monitoring system helps extend tire life and ensures safe driving in your Tesla. When selecting all-season tires for your Tesla, prioritize tires with UTQG treadwear ratings above 400. These ratings indicate durability designed to handle the unique stresses of electric vehicles, including regenerative braking that can accelerate wear. Higher treadwear ratings mean longer expected life before replacement. Look for the mountain snowflake symbol, or 3PMSF, which indicates adequate snow traction for variable weather conditions. Tesla is partnering with Michelin and Goodyear to develop EV-optimized all-season tires with silica-based compounds for better grip and reduced rolling resistance, enhancing range by up to 5 to 7%. Smart tire technology, including embedded sensors for real-time wear tracking, is gaining traction. Expect to see more sustainable, low rolling resistance tires made from recycled materials in the near future. Consumer Reports conducted a study showing Tesla Model Y owners experience significantly shorter tire life compared to traditional vehicles, averaging about 30,000 miles versus 50,000 miles in non-electric vehicles. The primary cause is heat buildup from Tesla's regenerative braking system, which converts kinetic energy back into battery power, but generates excess heat that accelerates tire wear. Tire experts strongly recommend biannual wheel alignments to prevent uneven wear patterns and maintain optimal contact with the road. When selecting tires, prioritize those with high UTQG treadwear ratings above 400 to better handle the unique stresses of electric vehicles like Tesla's. Tesla's regenerative braking creates distinct wear patterns on tires that differ from conventional vehicles, making proper maintenance even more critical. For Tesla owners, tire rotation is absolutely essential and should be performed regularly to ensure even wear across all 4 tires.